My name is Cathy Hunt, and I'm a historian and author. My new book, A History of Women's Lives in Coventry, sets out to explore the experiences of women in the city I've made home and where I've raised my family. It tells the story of one extraordinary century of change, from 1850 to 1950, when women gained greater political, economic and social freedoms than had ever been possible for their mothers and grandmothers. During these years, the barriers that had previously excluded them from public life began, very slowly, to fall. Coventry's story allows us to examine women's lives close up and personal, drawing on their experiences of growing up in this vibrant industrial city, going to its schools, getting jobs, setting up homes, getting wed and having babies. This, then, is a tale about the very stuff of life.
To listen to the rest of this programme, and to discover more podcasts and films from History West Midlands, visit the website at www.historywm.com.